Hi, this video is about what to do when the automation of leads stops from Facebook to MailChimp. So what we're going to do is we are going to log in into the integromat.com, that account of ours. You just go sign in with the ID and password. Yeah. Once you have signed in, if you see immediately there is a drop in the graph because our operations has stopped, right? So we go to scenarios. In that we see this scenario has been broken down, which is Facebook to MailChimp. And then we just click onto this scenario. We do not click onto on or off anywhere. We just click onto this scenario. Once we click onto this scenario, what happens? We see at this point, like at August 12, 2020 at 1:07 a.m., the error happened. So this error happens when somebody basically enters wrong details in the email ID or wrong or something which is not acceptable by MailChimp, right? So what happens is the person has replied into Facebook ads and Integromat is pushing the data to MailChimp, but MailChimp is not accepting it. It is sending it back. So the flow stops. So we go to this option of show queue here, right? I'll just show you again. We go to scenarios. We click here. We do not click anywhere else. We click here and then we go to show queue. And once we click on it, the queue will open all those which are in pause, which are supposed to basically run. And in that, we will see exactly that this is the one where problem started, like August 12, 2020, 1:07. Right? We can see here, August 12, 2020, 1:07. So this is exactly the scenario. What we do is we just delete this one particularly. Yes. And we close this. After deleting, what do? You put it on. And then let's see. We go back to scenario. Now it's running and it has updated all the leads. Yeah. So it's running. So that's all we do. We log in, go to scenario, click on the scenario, select the show queue, and from the queue we delete the one which is basically creating trouble. That's a wrong entry. That's what we delete. Okay. All right.